Let's fill out the Connecticut Firearm Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that gives both the seller and the buyer solid, dated proof of the sale. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID. A nickname or a typo can cause problems later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the firearm, the make and model, and the caliber. Then the serial number. Type it exactly as it appears on the firearm. A single wrong character weakens the document as proof. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. All right, let's walk through what Connecticut requires for a private firearm bill of sale. First, let's talk about signing. This form needs to be notarized, so make sure you sign your paperwork in front of a notary. Don't skip this step. Now, for the seller, you'll need to obtain an authorization number by calling 860-685-8400. Have that ready before the transfer takes place. On the topic of background checks, Connecticut does not require criminal background checks on people who buy or obtain guns from private individuals. However, if the buyer holds a valid state permit that is recognized by the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms as an alternative to the NICS check, no additional NICS check is needed on that buyer. If the transfer involves large capacity magazines being taken into inventory from a private individual. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.